Hi guys, good morning. Welcome back to my channel. Today is my first official day here in Bangkok, and I arrived yesterday. Yes, in the afternoon, and then I went for dinner. I went out and then came back to my hotel. And today I woke up by the cleaner's knock on my door because she's gonna change everything. And so yeah, I don't have any plans for today because I just want to take a rest and feel my hotel room because it's so nice. I didn't regret booking this because, by the way, it's not sponsored, because it's so big, it's so huge, like the other side. Like I think it's king size or queen size. Wait, I think it's already 1 in the afternoon, and my family is already calling me like, okay, go out there, walk there, because you only go there like once in your life, so enjoy. I think I'm gonna go for a dip. Like there's a pool in this hotel at the rooftop, I think. So I think I'll go there. I'll just munch some like little breakfast and then I'll go there. I'm gonna bring you with my journey today. Here's my neighborhood. Nothing fancy, like hotel as well. There, that's it. And when I open this, like I can get like natural lighting from outside. Yeah. I'll just eat and then I'll go for a swim. So good thing I had some bikinis in my hand carry bag. So I'm going to the pool now, guys. And then I'll go out for dinner later. So quiet, guys. In Kuwait, it's very hot, but I think I haven't experienced this kind of heat in Kuwait. Like the moment you go out, you're already sweating like waterfalls. Oh my gosh. There's the pool there, like there. It's so hot. Back from the pool already. I finished shower, and it's so hot outside. I feel like I'm on my first day. I'm already burned. So by the way, guys, I really love my hotel room. Like I don't want to go out because I just want to lay down and sleep. And also today I wanted to go to the temple, but I have no proper clothes for it, so I think today will be a relaxed day. Wait. And I'll just go out for dinner and I'll check some clothes for the temple tomorrow. Maybe I'll go to temple tomorrow. So yes, I think I'll just get some nap and then go for dinner, and then I'll see. So I'm going out now, guys. From swimming, I took a nap, and then now I'm going for dinner. So I'm going to meet like a college friend. So yeah, see you later. By the way, this is our outfit for today. Yes. So Terminal 21 is nearby my place. It's a mall here. So we're going to meet there. Bye. So I'm walking to like on my street, and then on the next street is the mall that I'm going to meet my friend at. So yes. Ay, ako amiga. Paparaya. Sorry ka.
Welcome to Thailand.
Ay, tura ka ni. Ay, so I'm gonna order this tom yum. Yes. Oh. I think I'll gain like 5 kilos after 6 days here. Because there's a lot of food. Today is
Ay, tayo punta ba ka?
Food
Dito
trip.
na ito magkuhan. Dito na ito.
This is their delicacy here. We're gonna take this one as well. So I ordered tom yum soup for only 55 baht. Only.
Very lami.
This one is my friend over there, very pretty.
Ah, just like you.
You to heaven. Hi. Welcome to Thailand. So hi. Tapos kayo siya, girl, kanang to heavens above. See? From there. The arrival is here. So my friend is taking me to Chinatown. We're going to the MRT.
Second stop.
Yes, second stop is Chinatown. So our next stop is Chinatown. We're here now. Ni hao ma. We're now here in Chinatown.
Food trip again.
Yes.
Chinese food. A better version of yung gurin.
Oh, yung green, yes.
Pero gusto ko kasi. Kapalit ko ako.
Saan kayo dito, girls? Chinatown. Gusto ka na?
Mo din yung malag. Ikaw nang isa sa Jorban.
Kuhan siya, oh. Nice.
Ito yung ano kasi.
Try ta. Pork man eh. Tom yum ganina.
Lahat lagi sa kutsura.
Pero nipis lang to. Uy ka na lang.
Lahat sa kutsura.
We're walking on the street of Chinatown, guys. Magtabok ang people.
It's very...
Yeah, it's very kayo. It's very na. For the vlogging, this is our order. My sisi bells.
Thai barbecue. Ay, Japanese. Ay, Japanese. Chinese.
Chinese mango, nasa China. We're in Chinatown. So earlier we tried the Thai food. Now we are in Chinatown. These are like Chinese food. Gonna try this. We ordered this one. Madara, oh! Di ba mani yung gusto?
Pero wala may show mo. Wala may Japan ko. Kaso ano siya no?
Feeling ako sikat din siya. Caesar. Caesar chef cook. Like people are falling in line for the food. Oh. Gan. Mahot ni mo sis. Dr. Crown! Sawadee ka!
Motorcycle version of Taiwan.
Yes!
First lang ito dala.
Gani no? Pero singot na ang 1cc ah.
Motorcycle na mas mahal pa sa taxi.
Yes! Very expensive ay lang motor here ay. Very expensive jar. Very kind si kuya ni sa Bukyo Kakanran.
Filipino dyan yan yun.
Yes.
Pero actually, the area is very near na. So dapat nga less than 100 pero laway man sa
Laway man siya. Ay kanap buhay pa siya. Singot na ang mga sisi bells.
Haggard na for the lahat.
So, on our third destination, hello!
Khaosan, coming as this.
Wait lang! Our third destination is Khaosan.
Tell me when you're in Khaosan without telling me you're in Khaosan.
Khaosan, yes! Oo. Ano sis, giprito na sis? Giprito na nila? Oh my gosh! Hello! I like the green head
I like the
sis.
view.
Ang green
I
head.
like the view.
Ay, gani. Crocodile sis. Do you wanna eat crocodiles? Ah, baho ako. I like it here, guys. Very, very. For the Agnas. Oh, lagi.
Take ko.